Hey, hi guys, it's me, Dan Stewart, recipient of many 5-star reviews. Like, how cool is that? Welcome to this episode of What to Say Now. If you are here, you are about to learn the 3-part strategy that will yield 5-star reviews that you can count on. So hello to those of you who are attending. I definitely appreciate your being here today. There is a tremendous opportunity for you through the great thing called social proof, right? Anytime you're choosing a new product or service, it's almost natural for you to wonder, are other people enjoying their experience with this particular brand or company, or in your case, agent, right? So if you're taking great care of your clients, you deserve to get 5-star reviews, and yet many of you are not because you don't have a framework in place to make sure that you get them. So the goal for today's session is to make sure that you're totally empowered to generate those 5-star reviews and consistently get them to leverage more clients towards working with you in the future. So let's walk through and cover this format so you know exactly how to do it. We're going to cover 3 steps. Okay, number 1 is shocking. It's called earn them. If you want 5-star reviews, you better start by giving 5-star service. That's not too much to ask in this world. In fact, it should be required. Like, make that your personal standard to deliver 5-star service to everyone that you have the privilege of working with, and it's hard to go wrong, right? And yet, that's not enough. Just having a strategy of doing a great job is not going to assure that you're going to get those 5-star reviews. So the second step is to ask for them. Shocking. I know, right? If you ask for help, generally people will show up and deliver the help that you're looking for. It's no different when it comes to getting these 5-star reviews. So think about the processes that you have in place for your business. A lead is generated. A deal is signed, a contract is authorized, escrow is accepted, inspections are done. There's all these things that you're very good at making sure happen, and happen by a specific point in time. The reason you're not generating more 5-star reviews is because you've not made asking for them part of your process in the way that business gets done. So change that, right? You could create an email, a text message. You can make it a standard part of what you do to, at this point in the transaction, send a message directly asking for that 5-star review, and you'll start getting them. Now, here's a couple of pro tips related to this. Make it easy for the person you're asking to leave that review. Don't leave it up to them to figure out where they need to go and what they need to say. Tell them. Write a message that says, I sure would appreciate if you'd take a moment and share some things about your experience with me. Maybe how we overcame this. Maybe how we took care of that. Like, reference things that make sense to them, and then give them a link. And to make it easy for you, here's where you can leave that review on Google, on Facebook, on Zillow, perhaps, or any other place that you'd like to have that sort of review appear. So that's 2 of the 3 strategies here to generate more 5-star reviews. The third one is so important because you need to develop this like a muscle, right? It's got to be just that fast where it happens. Asking for reviews is great in step number 2. You also need to react for these 5-star reviews. So you know that moment where somebody says these magical words to you? It's 2 of them. Thank you. That's when you should be triggered right into action to ask for a review at that point in time. In fact, we've used that strategy successfully at Happy Grasshopper over many years. The setting is a giant trade show where, I've been speaking somewhere. We've got a booth set up. We have people working the booth. And people come up and they say things like, oh my gosh, I'm your customer. I so much appreciate this and that or the other thing. We're like, oh my God, that's great. Out comes the phone, right? Out comes the phone, and it's time to capture that testimonial in real time. Okay? That's a little bit different than a 5-star review. And yet it can be incredibly valuable to have those little snippets of testimonials that you can stitch together. So stitch those things together, edit a nice tight video, and then you can include that when you're asking for reviews. Think how powerful that is. You know, to give you an idea of the sort of things we'd like you to say, here's a link where you can watch some things that other people have said about us. Like, that's meaningful, right? It takes just a moment to make that part of your process. And when you consistently implement those 3 steps over time, there's no outcome other than ending up with a bunch of 5-star reviews. So let's go get them, everybody. Again, my name's Dan Stewart. Thank you for watching this episode of What to Say Now. What to say now to get those 5-star reviews. If you're watching this on YouTube or in any other source than Facebook, please go over to facebook.com/groups/whattosaynow and join our group. And of course, if myself or my staff can help you in any way, shape, or form, please reach out to us. You can place a message in this group and we'll respond. And if you'd like to meet with me personally, I'd be very privileged to do that. Just reach out to me on Facebook. We'll have a little chat and schedule some time together. So have a great afternoon. Thanks for watching. Bye.